This lot here seems to be mislabeled.
Okay, I'll set these aside for review. The rest look good.
Materials are either quarantined or released in the system for traceability.
Released materials are kitted to ensure the line receives the right parts at the right time.
The SMT line is powered up to prepare for controlled board assembly.
Correct stencil and paste setup ensures accurate solder deposition.
Component reels are verified and loaded to prevent mix-ups. A first article board validates placement and thermal profiles before volume production.
With approval granted, the line transitions to stable production. High-speed placement ensures precise positioning of dense laptop components. Controlled heating permanently bonds components to the PCB.
Targeted rework corrects isolated solder defects.
Reinspection confirms the correction meets quality criteria.
Updated instructions help prevent repeat defects.
Equipment is left in a safe standby state between runs.
A controlled environment supports reliable electronics manufacturing.
Routine maintenance preserves placement accuracy for future builds.
Calibration ensures inspection accuracy is maintained.
Depaneling creates individual boards ready for downstream testing.
Clear segregation maintains control of test outcomes.
Functional testing confirms the board can boot and communicate. Approved boards are released for laptop final assembly.
Each chassis is serialized to anchor full product traceability.
Controlled torque ensures reliability without board damage. Cable routing. Battery installation links a tracked power source to the system.
The cooling assembly manages heat for stable laptop performance.
Even torque ensures consistent thermal contact.
Audio components are installed with keyed connectors to avoid errors.
Guided fixtures ensure accurate keyboard alignment. Secure connection ensures reliable user input.
The touchpad is mounted to ensure accurate cursor control. Proper cable seating prevents intermittent input failures.
Controlled hinge torque balances durability and user feel. Programmed torque ensures structural integrity without deformation. The finished unit is registered for end-of-line testing. Power-on testing confirms basic system functionality. Wireless testing ensures reliable connectivity performance.
Testing 1, 2, 3, 4. Audio levels are clear and consistent.
Electrical checks confirm safe battery operation.
A brief run-in screens early life failures.
Fast units move forward while exceptions are isolated for correction.
Corrected units rejoin the test flow for confirmation.
A focused retest confirms the issue is resolved.
Permanent markings ensure regulatory compliance and traceability.
Standard accessories are verified to ensure a complete customer package.
Inner cartons provide structure and branding for the product.
Automated weight checks confirm pack completeness. Sealing and labeling finalize unit-level identification.
Sealed master cartons protect units during transport. Automated palletizing ensures consistent, stable loads. Wrapped pallets are secured and identified for storage. Finished goods are stored under system control, awaiting shipment. Packaging waste is segregated for responsible recycling.
Compressed bales reduce volume for efficient recycling transport. Electronic scrap is stored securely for compliant disposal.
Staged pallets are organized to match transport schedules.
Safe dock setup prepares pallets for loading.
Pallets are loaded in sequence to prevent movement in transit.
Security seals protect the shipment through transit.
Finished laptops leave the facility for global distribution.